The Dodge Challenger is more than just a car, it is a symbol of American automotive heritage, a testament to power, performance, and the unyielding spirit of freedom. Since its introduction in 1970, the Challenger has carved out a unique place in the hearts of car enthusiasts, becoming an icon of muscle car culture. Its bold design, thunderous engine options, and unapologetic attitude have made it a timeless classic, bridging the gap between the golden age of muscle cars and the modern era of high-performance vehicles. The Challenger is not just a machine, it is a statement, a celebration of raw power and individuality. The story of the Dodge Challenger begins in the late 1960s, a time when American automakers were engaged in a fierce battle to dominate the muscle car market. The Challenger was Dodge's answer to competitors like the Ford Mustang and Chevrolet Camaro. It was designed to be a pony car, a term used to describe affordable, compact, and stylish cars with powerful engines. However, the Challenger quickly distinguished itself with its larger size, more aggressive styling, and a wide range of engine options that catered to both everyday drivers and performance enthusiasts. From the modest slant 6 engine to the legendary Hemi V8, the Challenger offered something for everyone, but it was the high-performance models that truly captured the imagination of the public. The first-generation Challenger, produced from 1970 to 1974, is often regarded as the purest expression of the muscle car ethos. Its design, penned by Carl Cameron, was a masterpiece of automotive styling. The long hood, short deck, and wide stance gave the car a commanding presence on the road, while the iconic dual-scoop hood and bold grille conveyed a sense of power and aggression. The Challenger was available in a variety of trims, including the base model, the luxurious SE, and the high-performance RT and TA models. The RT, which stood for Road Track, was equipped with a 383 cubic inch V8 engine, while the TA, designed for Trans Am racing, featured a 340 cubic inch V8 with triple carburetors. However, the crown jewel of the Challenger lineup was the 426 Hemi, a monstrous engine that produced 425 horsepower and could propel the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 5 seconds, a staggering feat for its time. The Challenger's performance was matched by its cultural impact. It became a symbol of rebellion and freedom, embodying the spirit of the 1970s. It appeared in movies, television shows, and music videos, cementing its status as a pop culture icon. Perhaps its most famous appearance was in the 1971 film Vanishing Point, where a white 1970 Challenger RT played a central role in the story, driven by a disillusioned Vietnam War veteran racing across the American Southwest. The car's relentless pursuit by law enforcement and its ultimate fate at the end of the film made it a symbol of defiance and the pursuit of freedom. However, the golden age of muscle cars was short-lived. By the mid-1970s, rising fuel prices, stricter emissions regulations, and changing consumer preferences led to the decline of high-performance vehicles. The Challenger, along with many other muscle cars, was discontinued in 1974. For nearly 3 decades, the Challenger remained a nostalgic memory, a relic of a bygone era. But the legend of the Challenger never faded. It continued to inspire car enthusiasts and collectors, who preserved and restored the original models, keeping the spirit of the Challenger alive. In 2008, Dodge resurrected the Challenger, marking the beginning of a new chapter in its storied history. The third-generation Challenger was a modern interpretation of the classic design, blending retro styling with contemporary technology. The new Challenger paid homage to its predecessor with its iconic silhouette, dual-scoop hood, and bold grille, but it was larger, more refined, and packed with advanced features. Under the hood, the new Challenger offered a range of powerful engines, from the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 to the 6.4-liter Hemi V8 and the supercharged 6.2-liter Hellcat V8, which produced an astonishing 707 horsepower. The Hellcat, introduced in 2015, was a game-changer, setting a new standard for performance and re-establishing the Challenger as a dominant force in the muscle car market. The modern Challenger is more than just a high-performance car, it is a celebration of individuality and self-expression. Dodge has embraced the Challenger's heritage by offering a wide range of customization options, allowing buyers to create a car that reflects their personality and style. From classic colors like Plum Crazy and Sublime to modern finishes like F8 Green and Hellraisin, the Challenger's paint options are as bold and vibrant as the car itself. The interior is equally impressive, with premium materials, advanced infotainment systems, and retro-inspired design elements that pay tribute to the original model. The Challenger is not just a car, it is a canvas, a platform for self-expression and creativity. One of the most remarkable aspects of the modern Challenger is its ability to appeal to a wide range of drivers. For some, it is a daily driver, a practical and comfortable car that can handle the demands of everyday life. For others, it is a weekend warrior, a high-performance machine that delivers adrenaline-pumping thrills on the open road or the racetrack. And for many, it is a collector's item, a piece of automotive history that represents the pinnacle of American engineering and design. The Challenger's versatility is a testament to its enduring appeal and its ability to evolve with the times while staying true to its roots. The Dodge Challenger is more than just a car, it is a cultural icon, a symbol of power, freedom, and individuality. It represents the best of American automotive engineering, combining bold design, cutting-edge technology, and uncompromising performance. From its humble beginnings in the 1970s to its triumphant return in the 21st century, the Challenger has remained true to its mission, to deliver an unforgettable driving experience and to inspire passion in everyone who gets behind the wheel. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, with electric vehicles and autonomous driving technologies becoming increasingly prevalent, the Challenger serves as a reminder of the joy and excitement that comes from driving a car that is alive with power and personality. It is a celebration of the past, a statement of the present, and a promise for the future. The Dodge Challenger is not just a car, it is a legend,